This is a beautiful view of Nara Park, located in Nara Prefecture, Japan. Please see beautiful views, cities. This is deer. Please, we can see some big temples here, shrines, and one elder lady here. She's so tired climbing this slope mountain area. Sheep are growing, deer are growing, and you can see beautiful view. I'm showing a zoom view of the cities and temples here. There are so many national heritage sites located here. You can see deers and barrier. We cannot go beyond this line. We are allowed to be here. This is the zoom view we can see from Nara Park. I am showing you zoom out view. Please see what a wonderful place this is. This is wonderful place to visit. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will be more than happy with your support. Thank you guys.